Alright, the Boblov W1 mini camera, body camera. What's in the box? Alright, full disclosure, I already was using this for a little bit. I already unboxed it. I'm just going to re-unbox it right now just to show you what it looks like. Here's the owner's manual. 32 gigabyte SD card they included. Here's the unit itself. Small. It is like compared to the size of a quarter. 32 gigabyte micro SD card. There's a USB, micro USB. It's not Type C, unfortunately, but what are you gonna do? And a, card reader. Plug it into your computer. Get the videos off of it. And this is a little, what this is for. You could remove this back clip and put this in place of it. So there's no clip here, but if you want, whatever. They have it there. Anyhow, the operation of it, lens in front clip, back clip, the clip-ons are closed. So on this side you get the on-off switch, micro USB port, the micro SD card slot. This takes up, I've tested it with 128 gigabytes, up to 120 gigabytes, works fine. I don't know if you could go higher than that. On this side you got the audio record / video record switch and the picture taking button. When the video record mode, it's gonna blink, I don't know how well you can see that, but it's gonna blink green. In audio record mode, it's gonna blink blue. Alright, so there it is. Yeah, in order to set the date and time, to tell you, you have to download a tool off the website, a text file where you can set the date and time of the device. And then there's a reset. You can stick something in there and reset it. So you can press that if it freezes up or anything like that, or crashes, paperclip or something like that, to reset it. And for any of you interested in the chipset, is a Novatech 96672. It records in video format H.264, MP4 format. The sensor is a Sony 307. The video resolution is 1080p, 30 frames per second. It does have loop recording, micro USB 2.0. It says it supports micro memory cards up to 64 gigabytes, but I put a 128 in there and it seems to work fine. It's a 550 milliamp hour battery. It records video for about 90 minutes. The charging time is 2 hours. It works on Windows and Mac 10.5 or above. Actually, I was surprised by the video quality. It's pretty good for a little, what, $60 camera or something like that. It's pretty good video quality. Not bad. It doesn't have any stabilization, unfortunately, but what are you gonna do? It's 60 bucks. It's meant to document things that happen to you, like if you're doing food delivery or something like that, or anything like that. It's not supposed to be a GoPro or anything like that. It's not supposed to be super high quality, super high resolution, but it's meant to document things that happen for, legal purposes, I guess, or whatever else. Anyhow, looking into some video footage. I'll leave a link in the description in case you want to buy it. And that's it. Thanks. 10 and number 2. All right. Have a good day. Thank you. Got it. Okay. Thank you. I don't. Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Have a good
Have
night.
a good night. Thank you.